Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. A lot of people ask, how do you find the perfect campsite? Well, the perfect campsite, if you're in an area like the Appalachian Mountains, you can get these rocks. Make sure they're not loose and going to fall on your head because that can kill you. But, they can provide protection from rain. Also, if you've got an area where you can build a fire close to the rock face, it can better heat you because it's kind of like a house in a sense. It's not, fully enclosed, but it'll amplify the warmth. And, just be aware of where you are. I mean, best case scenario, when you get high ground like this, you can see what's around you, get a good vantage point. And if you're next to a rock face, it may be a situation where there's only 1 or 2 points of entry. So that's minimizing the threat of maybe wildlife walking up on you or whatever. Because in this situation, they would have to climb about a 40-foot vertical rock face, so that's probably not going to happen. So it's safe to assume that wildlife would probably come from that way. So just another tip, never camp under a tree that's dead or has limbs that may break. And see, that's more added value for this, because see, I'm under this rock face. So even if one of those healthy trees did fall, I've got a rock over my head. So just, another way to enhance peace of mind while backpacking. If you found this video to be of value, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video, and expand this video's description and check the link there to find where to order all sorts of good outdoor gear. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Rick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.